Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Olivia, Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I am so excited to share with you guys some fun and easy DIY Dollar Tree decor crafts. So it is after Easter and it is now time to start thinking about popping in some summer decor. Listen, I love to share with you guys how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe that you don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. Now don't forget to follow me here on YouTube, subscribe, and also follow me over on my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook and Instagram page. I love to share DIYs with you over there as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to craft. Let's create a super cute Dollar Tree garden wall hanger for my office on a total budget. Okay, so from the Dollar Tree, you're going to grab 2 of their garden gates, and then you can take them and just flip them sideways. You can also make this go up and down. I've shared that DIY with you all in the past. Now take a zip tie. You're going to find the center part of this and add a zip tie. Easy peasy, and you're not going to see these zip ties, so don't worry about that. I added 2 to the center, and then I added 1 more to the top to stabilize my little garden piece. You can really add as many as you want, but I felt like 3 or 4 really was sufficient. Now I took a crafting tool and I cut 2 little slots in these Dollar Tree planters. I'm showing you guys using my scissors, but really I did use a crafting tool like a box cutter. Now you're going to take a zip tie, push it through the first loop. There's 2 little cuts in that tin, and then you're going to thread it through that first prong on your garden planter, and then thread it back through and zip tie it on the inside. So we did that with 3 different little buckets. This you guys can use to add anything to. Here is how it turns out once you're finished zip tying all of your little buckets. Now I'm going to add in some greenery. These are just fern pieces from the Dollar Tree, and then some cute little purple lilacs. Pick whatever spring flowers or summer flowers that you love. I mixed in some whites and also some greens. My camera was tilted a little bit sideways, so it does look a little bit sideways, but this is not going to be its final home. Wait till you see what I'm going to do with it. I wanted something to jazz up my office space. My office is actually out in my garage. I took and I added some of those little Dollar Tree wooden beads, and then I hung it in the pretty little sign that I had grabbed from Hobby Lobby last season. So I have kind of like a collage going in my little office space, and here is how it turned out. I think it looks so festive, and it really gives my space that nice spring garden feel. So this is just like a little kind of plaque that it's on the backdrop of, and then again my office is in my garage, but I did paint it to kind of look like my home and kind of decorate it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've been down on my boot for so long with that broken ankle, so I cannot wait to start cleaning things out and give you guys some organizing DIYs as well. But I think this is fun and fabulous. I hope you try this one. You can also flip it sideways and do it exactly the same, but just sideways the other way. I hope that makes sense. Happy crafting, and I hope you guys try this one. Okay, let's create a cute little garden side table using one of these Dollar Tree $5 garden planters and this Dollar Tree charger. Okay, so in the Dollar Tree Plus section, they have these really pretty little planters. I have a lot of planters already, so I thought, you know what? I need a cute little side table that I can, you know, just hold things on or use as a display piece. So I use some hot glue, but use E6000 glue for purposes that are going to be more sturdy. This is just for video purposes, but I added this cute little charger to it, and then I wanted to share with you guys, you can take these 2 little Dollar Tree wreaths. Now these were in the Dollar Plus section, so they were $5 each, and you're just going to squinch them together. I think this looks so adorable, and then I'm loving blue for summer with pops of yellow, so I added this little blue vase, and it was from Home Goods. It was like $15, I think. Now here's how you can create a Dollar Tree lemon branch. You're going to take and remove some baby's breath from the little Dollar Tree stem. Hot glue your lemon onto the top of the pick and then just slide that piece of greenery up, and that is going to hold it and it's going to create some little lemons. I found these Dollar Tree lemons last season, or it's probably actually been a couple of seasons back. They're in the Dollar Tree crafting section. You want to check as much as you can because they're there and then they're gone. You can also order lemons off of Amazon, and you can use a little knife or scissors to poke a hole in the end, and then voila, you have a fun little lemon branch. And for some reason, lemons are pretty expensive. You guys see them in the home decor stores. They're not cheap. So if you can find them on a budget at Dollar Tree, the thrift store, or on Amazon, definitely go for it. You can also use the Dollar Tree limes. The Dollar Tree limes are even better because they come 3 to a pack for $1.25. So I added one to the end of a fern branch and then another little mismatched branch, and boom, we have a fun little summer decor piece. Now I probably will play around and stagger the lemons and limes a little bit better, but you guys are getting the drift of what I've got going on here. Okay, so we made that cute little side table. I think these would be fun to use out in your garden area, you know, maybe where you have a little seating place. You can add a little faux plant, a candle, a little sign. I'm just showing you guys different ways you can kind of decorate this little fun side table. You could just go easy peasy and put a nice little lantern on it. You could go crazy like I did with all the lemon scape on that one. Really, the sky is the limit. So here is how this looks. I really love this. I think I loved it better though without the candles, but the candles do add ambiance. And let me tell you, those candles are so inexpensive on Amazon. I've got some linked to my Amazon store. They're great also for weddings, especially because they're not real candles. I was at my mom's birthday party the other day and she had real candles lit, and I accidentally lit a napkin on fire. I was passing a napkin on the table. Anyway, so I love the flickering flameless candles. They're just so much safer for pets, kids, and adults alike. Anyway, I hope you guys are loving my little fun garden tree planter table idea. Happy crafting on a budget. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how you make a super easy little wreath on a budget. So I'm grabbing this Dollar Tree lemon wreath. It was $5 in the Dollar Tree Plus section. I think it's adorable as is, but if you want to take it and make it fuller, all you have to do is flip one of the loops upside down and just gently push it in to the other side here. So here's how you're going to do that. You just slide it on top of the other wreath, and bam, you have a double full wreath. I know I saw these lemon wreaths at Michael's last year for like $45 or something crazy. Maybe that was before the discount, but I was kind of shocked how expensive their lemon decor stuff was. Maybe it's a little bit better deal now, or maybe I was just shopping before it all went on sale. So here is how that is going to look. And the next thing we're going to do is make a super easy little bow. So to make this bow, I'm going to take a measure from my hand to my wrist and simply loop it over on itself 6 times. This is my super easy Olivia bow, and I apologize earlier. Benji Bear was barking. I'm sure that the neighbors are coming home from school, or their dogs are getting let out. But anyway, you're just going to take that ribbon and loop it over on itself 6 times, and you can kind of count 3 on each side with your loops, and then you're going to take whatever you use to twist it off. I'm going to cut the tail off, and then you'll find the center of this ribbon and you'll just fold it. That way you know where the center part is. So here we go. We're going to fold this right here. Bam, there's your center. And then you can take a little zip tie or some floral wire or just whatever suits your fancy and tie that off in the center. This is literally the easiest fluffy bow that you'll ever make. And when I measured it from my arm to my elbow, that was about 12 inches, but you can measure it smaller or larger for whatever suits your fancy. And honestly, I may have needed to have done it a little bit smaller for this wreath, but I am going to make it work. I'll show you guys how I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take a zip tie and just zip tie it on, and you can take your loops and kind of rush and zhuzh them and jazz them up and make them just a little bit smaller by kind of tucking them under. So see how I'm kind of pulling the loops out, and then I give it a little bit of a tuck under, and that way it's not completely overtaking the wreath. But I will tell you this, I love big bows, and I cannot lie. I am mostly, I would say, a Southern girl. I'm actually more Midwestern, but I love kind of Southern style, like the big fluffy bows and, curls and all of that kind of stuff. Maybe I'm just a girly girl. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. You could do this also without the bow. The bow is just like an extra, and the bow is also just kind of a way that you guys can know how to make a bow. So here is how that turned out. I think it's a fun idea, totally budget friendly. I think it looks pretty high end without doing a whole lot. I'm really right now with my ankle recovery process trying to show you guys crafts you can do quick, easy, and on a budget. Summer is coming and we don't want to be slaving on our crafts. Anyway, a fun, easy project on a budget. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how you can make a super adorable high-end decor idea using a Dollar Tree pizza pan. Now I'm using this pizza pan, and it is the $5 pizza pan from the Dollar Tree Plus section, but Dollar Tree also has pizza pans. Although I do notice that a lot of times our pizza pans are completely sold out. So check your Dollar Tree Plus section, or Walmart also has them as well. Now I'm going to take some of this Dollar Tree wallpaper. I'm just going to add it to the center of the pizza pan, and it did take two, I want to say slices, but this is not slices, 2 panels of the Dollar Tree wallpaper. You guys are going to find this at your Dollar Tree. I love this adhesive wallpaper. It is amazing. We're giving our little pizza pan a faux wood look, and I'm just going to go ahead and trim this out. Now, originally, I made this for you guys during the Easter season, and we added an Easter sign, but I'm actually sharing with you guys a new way to take this, and we're going to make this lemon summer decor. So bear with me if you guys have seen me do this, and I made it for Easter. This is just the original pizza pan and how you create this. We're going to take the rope and add the rope on the outside of the pizza pan to kind of cover up the little floppy edges of the pizza pan, and also where we added that adhesive wall stuff goodies. So then once we have that done, I'm going to add one more piece of rope. I felt like it just needed a little bit more. And these were actually 2 different ropes. One was from the Dollar Tree and one was from the hardware section. So again, be careful also doing this. It's very easy to kind of burn yourself. Okay, so here is how it turned out originally with the little hop sign. That was for Easter. I'm just going to remove that because I just barely kind of hot glued that on. I'm going to take this little yellow lemon wreath. This is going to be kind of a summer wreath. It's also from the Dollar Tree. It's in their Dollar Tree Plus section. I'm going to lift that bow up and just gently hot glue the bow down on top of where that little wreath topper was. I'm then going to take this lemons sign, and it says, "When life gives you lemon, make something sweet." And I'm a big cheerleader of that. I really like to take and make sweet things out of some of the not so sweet things that life gives me. Now I'm going to add in another little extra lemon doodly dad. I felt like it needed a little something at the top. Now, let me know what you guys think. I think the brown bow is really pretty, but for some reason with lemons, I always want to do black and white. So I'm just going to add a black and white ribbon over this. Instead of redoing the entire thing and wasting that brown and white ribbon, I thought we could just layer it. Let me know what you guys think about it. I thought it turned out pretty. I want to be able to remove the black and white ribbon because I want to add a red and white ribbon when I do my patriotic decor. And I was going to share that with you guys also in this video. And then just my foot started getting tired. So I'm really trying to pace myself with letting that broken foot heal. Here is how it turned out. I think it looks fabulous. It was totally budget friendly. We just zhuzhed up a couple of things, added and removed some things, and there you guys have that cute little "when life gives you lemons, make something sweet" idea. Fun and fabulous on a total budget. Let me know what you guys think. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to show you guys how to make a super easy little Dollar Tree riser using a Dollar Tree candlestick. I just hot glued around the edge, and then I'm adding this cute little Dollar Tree sign. This was in the Crafters Square section, and boom, I have a little dessert stand or riser. I'm going to show you guys some fun ways you can style this, starting with these little Dollar Tree Dollar Plus plants and a nice little candle. It is now time to start removing some of my Easter decor, and so I want to give you guys some ideas on how you might want to style some of your little side tables. This was another little craft that we made, and I apologize, my little puppy dog is barking in the background, so I'm going to play some music and just let you guys watch me style these in different ways. Here is a fun way to style it again for summer, adding some Dollar Tree lemons and limes, and then that cute little lemon lime arrangement that we made. You could even really go crazy with it and add a lemon wreath. Just get creative with it and have fun with it. I feel like these nice pops of blues and yellows are just really nice to have. They're great for a kitchen, a mantle, any kind of little space like that. My puppy dog has calmed down, so I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys, and I just want to encourage you guys, no matter where you're at, to keep going. I know that everybody has something going on in their life, especially in the last couple of years, including myself. And I'll tell you what, every day that we wake up and God gives us another day, it's just a new day to try to make somebody smile and try to just do a little bit better and have personal development as well. So here's another fun idea too. You can just use the little Dollar Tree riser and add in some of those little plants. I love these little plants from the Dollar Tree Plus section. They're such a great size. They're really durable. Like, they've been knocked around my studio and outside already. And then a fun little flickering, a flameless candle. And you could also add in a cute little lantern. Again, these are also from the Dollar Tree Plus section. I feel like they have a really great little section there. It kind of reminds me of Dollar General, but I don't think anything is over $5. I haven't really thoroughly explored it. Again, I'm really just trying to take it easy and do a little bit at a time as I let my ankle heal. It's almost actually now more painful now that my boot is off, because I'm now having to kind of, get used to learning how to walk. And I don't know if you guys have ever injured your ankle or foot, but I was in a walking boot for almost 12 weeks. And I have to actually mentally think about walking, which is a very strange thing, but it's on the mend. I have to let you guys know. Now, I have to share with you guys also Benji Bear, my little sassy guy, since he was having a fit. He sits in the front window, you guys, and if there's squirrels or kids or dogs or an airplane, anything, it doesn't matter. So he's got his little toy that's from the backyard. I'm gonna have to get rid of it once I saw him playing with it. I realized that he's tore a little spot in it. So this toy's gonna have to go. But anyway, Benji Bear says hi and he loves you guys. So much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor adventure. It is a true blessing and honor to have you all here. If you all are new, welcome. I'm Olivia's Romantic Home. I love to share with you guys how you can make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe that y'all don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. Now listen, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do have a giveaway coming up this month. This is April 2023. This is my 5th year on YouTube, by the way. And I am coming out of my walking boot. I recently broke my ankle, so wish me luck on physical therapy and just kind of getting back on my feet. I'm trying to take it easy and go slow with it, but wow, I love to be busy. So anyway, I love y'all. Follow me over my Facebook page. I have Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page. I share several DIY videos a day with you guys over there, as well as on my Instagram and all of that fun stuff. I'm a one-woman show. I'm a DIY crafty mama, and I'm blessed and honored to share my love of crafting and decorating with you all. I cannot wait to share with you guys what I'm going to be doing with my home for this summer 2023 season. And anyway, so I love y'all. I'm hugging your hearts so tight. I'm wishing you a gorgeous, fabulous, blessed day. And until our next video, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. Talk to you guys very soon. Bye-bye.